Hello and welcome, guys, and welcome to this short vlog. And yes, I know what you're looking for. You're looking to work with Government of India. The prestigious civil services attract you. Yes, at some given point in time, we had always dreamt of giving UPSC and appearing for competitive examinations and working for Government of India. It's a pride and a privilege to work for Government of India, and this video is entirely dedicated to all the cost accountants and chartered accountants who are willing to work for Government of India. But before we come on to that, let me congratulate all my students who have secured AIR in CMA Intermediate and Final. And proudly we can say that we are the institute which has highest number of CMA final ranks to our credit. Yes, the credit doesn't go to us. It doesn't belong to me. It belongs to the students whose hard work and relentless late night work, efforts, studies for 10 hours, 12 hours a day have bore fruit for them. So guys, campus is the next destination for you. Work really hard for campus, and may you achieve pinnacle of success in your professional life and achieve good score in campus also, similar to what you've scored in CMA final. So many congratulations to all the students who have secured All India rank in CMA final as well as intermediate. Coming on to the discussion of today, yes, UPSC once again, and I've talked about this before. UPSC has released its vacancies for cost accounting services under two categories, and the last date for filling the application form is 14th of March 2024. So guys, this video, if you're really willing to give cost account services and you're really willing to give that competitive examination and work for the prestigious Government of India, then this video is absolutely for you. Let me show you the advertisement which has been released by the UPSC. So guys, there are certain vacancies which have been released. So 36 vacancies have been released for the post of Assistant Director Cost in Office of Chief Advisor Cost, Department of Expenditure, Ministry of Finance. 36 vacancies are there. Out of the 36 vacancies, 15 vacancies are belonging to the unreserved category, which means that this is the general category. Rest of the seats belong to the reserved categories. So the general category seats are 15, and yes, these are the competitive examination. You have to give one examination and one interview, and you can work for the prestigious Ministry of Finance in various budgeting, finance, costing related profiles. The level will be very similar to what civil servants have, and the kind of emoluments, the packages will be similar to what are enjoyed by the other civil servants, depending upon the levels. Okay, so this is category number one. Category number one is for the post of Assistant Director Cost in the Office of Chief Advisor Cost, Department of Expenditure, and the pay scale is also given over here. Very important thing to be noted is, if you are belonging to general category, 35 years is the upper limit up to which you can apply for this particular vacancy. Qualification, the essential qualifications, these are the mandatory qualifications. You should be qualified for recognition for enrollment to register of member of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India or Institute of Cost Accountants of India. So the ask is that you should have qualified your CA or CMA final examination. Only then will you be eligible for filling this application, filling this registration. So if you are, eligible to file for membership, even if you have not filed for membership, you have not applied for membership, you have not got the membership, even then if you are eligible to apply for membership, that's an enough qualification for you to appear for this examination. So many students ask me, sir, do we need membership if you want to appear for this examination? Answer is no. You do not need membership if you want to appear for this examination. Even if you are eligible for membership, then also you can give this examination. That's the essential qualification. Now a desirable qualification, if you have any other relevant degree from any other institute like PGDM, right, PGDM in finance or any other relevant degree, that's a desirable qualification. And if you have 3 years experience in cost accounting work, it's cherry on the cake, but it's not essential. Okay, even the cost accountants who are fresher cost accountants can apply, but the desirable trait is that you have experience in costing work profile. Then there are multiple other conditions which you should study before you apply for this vacancy. Okay, second number vacancy is not for us. Okay, third number vacancy is again not for us. Then we are eligible for vacancy number fourth. Okay, no vacancy, yes, vacancy number fourth. 7 vacancies for post of assistant cost accountant officers in Geological Survey of India. This is again related to cost accountants. Again 35 years is the expectation. Then again the education qualification is BCom degree of recognized university. So even if you have BCom, then also you can apply for this particular post. Desirable is past examination of Cost and Works Accountants of India or Chartered Accountancy of India. Again, the condition is to pass the final examination, not to have the membership. Okay, so that's it, guys. These are the 2 categories under which you are eligible to apply for these services. Now, so please tell us the structure of these services. What is the structure of these services, and how are these services, this examination scheduled, and what is the syllabus of this examination? So guys, this is a test which is an MCQ based test, an objective type based test. The test will be for 2 hours duration, and it is conducted most probably in the month of May. Okay, so the last date for filling the application is 14th of March, but in the month of May you will have the examination. So this is the last date of filing the application. Online recruitment application are invited for direct recruitment by selection to their website, and the above post from 24th February 2024, and the closing date is 14th of March. So you can apply till 14th of March for this particular examination. And the examination, although the dates of examination are not out yet, but typically they are around the month of May, guys, right? April end or May beginning. That is the date of the examination. It will be a test of 2 hours. All the questions will carry equal marks. Test will have objective type questions with multiple choice answers. Medium test will be English. There will be penalty for wrong answer. If you choose any wrong answer, there will be negative marking for it. Every wrong answer will carry deduction of 1/3 of the marks assigned to that question. If no answer is marked for the question, there will be no penalty for that question. The test will carry a maximum of 300 marks. Now, what is the syllabus of this test? And you will find it very relatable and very recognizable, because you have studied all these things in your CMA or CA final, right? First is cost audit, section 148(1), 148(2) of the Companies Act. That is the basic thing. Then cost accounting record rules 2014. Especially cost accountant CMA students have studied these rules in depth. They have studied these rules absolutely in detail. So these are the cost accounting record rules. Then cost, volume, profit analysis, pricing decision, budgetary control, financial statement analysis, costing methodology, marginal costing, standard costing, material costing. So all these are very usual and normal curriculum which is prescribed for cost accountants, CMAs as well as CAs. So you've already studied this, right? You just need to brush up your skills on these topics, and boom, you are ready for the examination, for the test. Yes, the test is not that easy. Test is difficult, so you need to really prepare well. What I have additionally for all of you is that this is a PPT. This is a PowerPoint presentation which was created by Institute of Cost Accountants of India, I think last year or last year. And this PPT has got a summary of everything about these test and this examination. It is a very useful PPT. What I'm going to do is I'm going to attach this PPT in the link below. You can download this PPT and you can have complete details about this examination from this PPT. Okay. Plus you have to also study this advertisement and the rules which are given therein in great detail, guys. Okay. Please study these rules and regulations, and if you are ready for it, if you are ready to take the take this test and work for the prestigious Government of India, and guys, it's a privilege and a prestige to do that. If you are ready to do it, give this examination after qualifying your CA or CMA final, and yes, be ready for working for Government of India. Yes, all those people who used to tell you, yaar civil services kar lete, hai na? All those unfulfilled dreams can be fulfilled using this particular opportunity which is given to all of you. So yes, I am packaging all these PDFs in a file folder, uploading on the Google Drive. Link is given in the description box below. Plus, I've created 2 more detailed video on these services which I'm giving you as a description box in the I'm giving you as a link in the description box below. View those PPTs, those videos, and also see this PPT, see the PDF, read through them, and then if you feel that yes, you're ready to take the plunge, guys, 14th March 2024 is the last date for filling the application form for this vacancy. Let's give it our best shot, guys. You've given your best shot in CMA final and CA final. Now it's time to give your best shot in these examination also. And what a pride and a privilege to work for Government of India. And who knows, maybe you are the next cost director of the country, of the Ministry of Finance, and you'll be working closely with the ministers and preparing the budgets, the variance analysis, the financials or the financial analysis for the country as a whole. So yes, that's all for this particular vlog, guys. I'll be coming up with more updates if at all they are updated on the ministry's website, UPSC's website. I'll be coming up with updates. All the very best and happy studying.